Hey, I'm Jacob, here with Guild Golf Carts, and I'm a technician. And I'm going to show you guys how to take off an enclosure door. You're going to start by lowering the windshield halfway, dropping that down, and then you're going to take off this button for the front. That just unsnaps. Then we're going to undo all these snaps on the front here. And then this little Velcro piece just rips right off. You got one more snap down here. Then we're going to pop the door off where the magnets are. One hand halfway, it pulls, top hand pushes, pops right off. There you go, super simple. You can do it yourself.